kusho ukuthi ngizohlanganisa nje ama-languages isiZulu, isilungu, so that omunye nomunye athole laphiyana. Kusukela ekuqaleni komuntu nje kuthiwa esungula emhlabeni, umuntu ubesungula. Umuntu kade wafuna ukuba nguNkulunkulu. From the beginning of mankind, men have been trying to be God, trying to be gods, creating. Umkhovu othi the goblins, ufike umuntu abulala umuntu hafu. Mayibulele umuntu lona hafu, umuntu lona unikezwa amandla okwenza izinto ngokwemilimo. This person would be half dead, half killed, and he acts like a half human being. So people have used these goblins for a lot of different purposes. Long time back, people believe that you will send a goblin, a tiboloshi, to the bank to fetch money for you. Yeah. And then, as in how true is that, we got it some other time. People just believe those things are just mythical, especially in the Western world. But I wonder why the Western world believe these things are mythical, because the word goblin is not IsiZulu or an African word. It's a Western word, which simply defines or means umkhovu utiboloshi. Now, people acquired powers, more than the gods. It will be hard for anyone out there at home to understand these things, spirituality, miracles, the acts of goblins. I've said it, that what exactly is a goblin? It is a person that has been metamorphosized, it means changed and transformed into something which is half living, half mortal, with some certain spiritual powers which are invisible, that people use to do things beyond the means of living of a humanoid. Like technology, I would say. It is a spiritual technology. Now,